To increase the limit on Revolut, follow these steps. First, understand that Revolut is a digital banking app that offers various account types with different spending limits. The standard account has a lower spending limit compared to the premium accounts. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and navigate to the account settings. This is usually found in the profile section. From here, you can view your current account limits. Step 2. Verify your identity. If you have not already done so, you will need to complete the Know Your Customer process. This involves uploading a valid government-issued ID and a selfie. This process helps Revolut comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Step 3. Upgrade your account. If you are using a standard account, consider upgrading to a premium account. Premium accounts have higher spending limits and offer additional features such as travel insurance and priority customer support. Step 4. Add a salary or income. Revolut may request proof of income to increase your spending limit. You can do this by setting up a direct deposit or providing payslips. This helps Revolut assess your creditworthiness and increase your limit accordingly. Step 5. Use your account responsibly. Revolut monitors account activity and may increase your limit over time if you use your account responsibly. This includes making regular payments, keeping your account in good standing, and avoiding overdrafts. Best practices include keeping your account information up to date, monitoring your spending, and contacting customer support if you have any issues. By following these steps and using your account responsibly, you can increase your limit on Revolut and enjoy the benefits of a higher spending limit.